Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the blocked by Cloudflare site protection error in JDownloader when you're trying to download a game. First, open your web browser and search for the FitGirl FDM link extractor. Open the latest release page, scroll down, and download the extractor file to your desktop. For some users, the browser may display a warning that the file could be dangerous. If that happens, or if you're unable to use the file, I recommend using Free Download Manager, FDM, instead. Download and install Free Download Manager on your PC. After the installation is complete, search for Fisker in your browser, open the latest release page, and download the .fda add-on file. Now launch Free Download Manager. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner and select Add-ons. Click Install Add-on File. Browse to the location where you saved the .fda file, select it, and click Install. Confirm the installation by clicking OK whenever prompted. Once the add-on is installed, it will automatically capture supported download links from the website and send them directly to Free Download Manager. Now open the website where you want to download your game. Right-click on the download link and you'll see two options: Copy Link or Download with Free Download Manager. If you choose Copy Link, simply paste the link into Free Download Manager. If you choose Download with Free Download Manager, the download will start automatically. That's it. This method should help you get around the Cloudflare protection issue and continue downloading your files without using JDownloader. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.